Good morning, everyone. So now let us start with a new chapter, and chapter name is the particle physics. See, according to UPSC examination, main syllabus, this is not a question. This is not a topic actually. But if you see question paper, UPSC asks the question in your mains examination, a question like Bose-Einstein statistics. It was a question paper in 2018 mains. Even if you go in the prelims examination, there are 8 to 9 questions UPSC asks in your paper in the prelims examination from this chapter only. So this is the statement, kindly don't follow UPSC syllabus. Clear? What you follow? Question paper. If you follow the question paper, so you will read many other chapters. Those are required in UPSC examination, especially in science and technology. Okay, and this is the main problem like in UPSC, like syllabus is not given. That's why many people got confused. And science and technology still it is a static subject. But problem is there guys, most of the people still did not understand the science and technology, whether static is required. Okay, neither the people feel like the subject is a current affairs based. So here today in this class, I'll show you like many of the topics as a static part. Okay, those UPSC are in your paper from this chapter of particle physics. So again I repeat, this chapter is given you a question in mains paper in 2018. That is a Bose-Einstein statistics and what about its importance and brought the revolution in physics. And in the prelims examination around 8 to 9 questions. Actually in this PDF, those PDF even I prepare guys, all entire prelims question paper already mentioned here. Okay, and at last I'll show you the mains question paper of Bose-Einstein statistics, those UPSC as in your mains examination also. Okay, but again repeat, it is not a chapter according to UPSC syllabus. Because in the main syllabus, if you see, the particle physics not mentioned anywhere. And prelims examination syllabus mein to only UPSC mentioned as a general science that you all people know very well. Okay, so we are preparing for those examinations where prelims have no syllabus. And in the mains examination where syllabus happen, is still question not always from the syllabus because this is the subject, this is a chapter which is not mentioned in your main syllabus but still UPSC asks questions. Okay, this chapter particle physics, okay, whatever I am going to complete, this is entire mentioned inside the book and all the question papers also there guys after the end of the chapter. Here in this PDF, I brought this all the questions of the prelims examination, those you will solve. Clear everyone? Fine. So this is the book where all the chapters are given there. By the way, total 11 chapters are required as in the beginning, just in 2 minutes I'll tell you. And directly I will come into the particle physics. This is the entire analysis of UPSC question paper in the prelims examination. Okay. This analysis, those I brought, it is from 2010 onwards. But I'll prefer everyone 2011 onwards you follow. So from 2011 till 2024. If you see question paper guys, so there are the various chapters and this name of chapters I can tell you, those total 11 chapters I have recommended to everyone guys. So 11 chapters as 11 units you can see here and UPSC asks the question in your paper from these 11 chapters. What are these 11 chapters? The one, science and technology in India. Second, energy. Third, space technology. Fourth, communication information technology. Fifth is the defense technology. Sixth is the artificial intelligence, robotics and nanotechnology. Seventh is the IPR, intellectual property rights and its related rights. Eighth is the universe and particle physics. Ninth is the biotechnology. 10th, disease and various immunization program. And the last one is a miscellaneous. This time I'm going to explain with you about this unit, that is a particle physics. And even if you do the analysis of the question paper from 2011 till 2024. So what about the number of questions your PSC has from particle physics? You can count very easily guys. Total 13 questions you can see from 11 till 24. Everybody clear? Even some of the questions, those I will show you guys, it is repeated in your examination also in particle physics. Okay, this is total universe and particle physics, both are there. But I am going to discover to which chapter, especially particle physics. Okay, and see, after the end of this, all the entire discussion, we will go into the discussion of entire prelims question paper. Okay, and this all the prelims question paper is in front of you guys. Okay, what UPSC has from 2011 till 2020, every prelims question paper will discuss in the last of it. And then you feel like what UPSC has done in your examination and what about the requirement in your preparation. Clear everyone? Fine. So let us start with the particle physics, but one of the idea I have given you guys, like this PDF, those I'm already showing you here. It is available on Telegram. Okay, Dr. Ravi P. Agrahari official Telegram. The same PDF after the end of the class I will upload and everybody can take it. Clear everyone? Fine. So now let us start particle physics, and this is the book that I will recommend to everyone. I think you all people have already this book. Show me your book. Very good. So this is the book. Very good. Everybody have. So kindly read it. By the way, this is already highly selling book in India. Everybody know. And those people still not read this book, I will request kindly read it. And definitely, whenever you read the book, it will open your eyes and you understood about the demand of UPSC. Neither you will never know about the what about the UPSC is doing in your paper from science. Now there is still the same statement of your paper. General science, your science attack means current affairs. But totally you people are misguided. And even it is not going to cover with the UPSC only. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, all group 1, group 2 examinations, those syllabus is going to cover in science and technology. Everything is here. Clear? Done. Finally, enter into particle physics. Particle physics. See, whenever I discuss with you chemistry, nuclear energy topic, okay, in the case of energy chapter, when I explain with you about nuclear energy, okay, so some basic concept I discussed with you in that time about chemistry units. Okay, in nuclear energy, what I told you, what is the chemistry units? Atom are elements. Okay, so those I told you earlier, guys, like atom or element is what? That is a chemistry units. Okay, even in school time, you read atom or elements are the unit of chemistry. But slowly and gradually you found actually atoms or elements is not the chemistry units. Atom or elements are made up by electron, proton and neutrons. So definitely how atom is possible, guys. If unit should be, that should be electron, proton and neutron. Did you understand? If unit should be, that's not atom. The unit should be electron, proton, neutron, because atoms or elements are made up by electron, proton and neutron. But later on, guys, studies happen. And the studies those happen, guys, it is being identified. Even electron, proton, neutrons are also made up of. It means electron, proton, neutron also not the smallest one. Did you understand my words or not? Even what are inside the electron, proton, neutron, if you go and see, guys, so they have presence of quarks, they have presence of leptons, they have presence of muons, they have presence of bosons, they have presence of neutrinos, etc. If you count total number, guys, actually, you know, these all are called as fundamental particle. These all are called as fundamental particle. See, these fundamental particles also called as elementary particles. These fundamental particles also called as elementary particles. You know, in physics, guys, total 17 fundamental particles or elementary particles are discovered. Okay, total how many fundamental particles, elementary particles are discovered? 17 discovered. Again, I repeat, guys. Earlier, what was our discussion in chemistry, guys? Unit of chemistry was atom or element. Later on, what is being observed? No. Atoms are made up by electron, proton, neutron. Again, further discovery happened, and what we found? Electron, protons are made up by. Tell everyone, what is that? Quarks, leptons, muons, bosons, neutrinos, etc. See, 2-3 times if you pronunciate, you will remember it. Because till electron, proton, neutron, most of the people know. But quarks, lepton, muon, boson, neutrinos type of only few people know it. And UPSC asks this question on the basis of this. Clear? Just wait, guys. After 4-5 hours, you will be very comfortable in the particle physics. And by the way, guys, these kind of chapters you will not get anywhere that anybody taught in any coaching session also. Even when I have written inside the book as a particle physics, as a chapter, and even shown you guys like there is 9 to 10 questions UPSC asked. Then student those even have a book, they realize it. Oh my God, this is also a topic. So this is the reason in the prelims examination have no syllabus. And this is the statement. Again, further I'm telling you, please read the book. At last, check the question paper. Then you realize, right, what is the demand of UPSC. Neither you will totally misguided in the case of science and technology. Go with current affairs or crack examination. Clear? And see, science and technology give you around 15 questions out of 100. And 15 questions is the easy questions. Here question never asked technical. Here question are just the application based. Just you know the theory and just know the application in the human life, how it is beneficial. So definitely in the human life, how the science have an importance. This kind of question generally UPSC asked. At the end of this topic, when I show you the question around 8 to 10 questions of UPSC particle physics, you will feel very comfortable. And now see guys, up to this level of study, what we'll call study of atomic level. Study of atomic level. Even it is my humble request to everyone guys, those people are watching my classes, you and any other in the coming future. Can't you share this video to everyone? Especially those people, they feel like science and tech means current affairs only. Did you understand my words or not? And then it will literally eye-opening, it will work as an eye-opening for everyone guys to understand like science and tech still is a subject. Okay, it's like history, polity, economy, geography is a subject. Similarly, science and technology also has a subject. And here, how many questions UPSC has roughly around? 15 questions. And 15 questions is not like that in the last moment of time. You read any current affairs magazine of 50 page, 100 page and go with this. No guys. Because I watched, again I'm repeating my words, in every coaching sessions, the people are giving the emphasis of history, polity, economy, geography, sociology, life over. Life over means your attempt over, their coaching industry, time over. Minimum to minimum time they are giving in my subject, those I'm taking your classes, the one science and technology, and second is the environment. And science and technology environment still is a very important, even 30 questions, around 30 questions coming from the environment and science and technology. And easily you people can solve 20 questions. How many questions easily you can solve? 20 questions. But you should have to connect with my current affairs also, that you know very well guys. Ravi sir, second Ravi sir, and third Ravi sir. First Ravi sir means classroom discussion. Very good. Second Ravi sir, book. Very good, very good. Agrahari book, environment, third edition, science and tech, 8th edition right now. In the coming future, maybe 4th or 9th. But whenever you are reading and starting the preparations, to check which is the current affairs, new magazine, new books. And third one, current affairs. So R. Very good. Other movie. Okay. So this is what study up to atomic level. Okay. When you go below atomic level, guys, means beyond this, guys. Beyond this. This is what? This is a subatomic level. This is what? Subatomic level. It means if I'm doing the study up to this level, electron, proton, neutrons, quarks, leptons, muons, boson, so we are calling them, it is what? It is a subatomic level. Okay, and see, fundamental particles are what? Subatoms. I hope you understood very well. Everything under the subatomic level. So fundamental particles are coming under the subatomic level. Up see guys, actually in particle physics, we are doing the study up to subatomic level. In this chapter guys, my all entire discussions are here. So in particle physics, we are doing the study up to subatomic level. In subatomic level, what kind of study we are doing? In subatomic level, what kind of study we are doing? Study of fundamental particles are elementary particles. Very good. Total, how many fundamental particle, elementary particles? Excellent. 17. Tell me the name once again. Quarks, etc. Please tell, because these are 17. But which are important for our examination? These names are mentioned there. Only 7. For 5. It will be enough for our examinations. See, now you may ask a question, sir, why in particle physics, our studies up to subatomic level, where we are doing the study of fundamental particles? The answer is very simple, guys, because with the help of these fundamental particles and elementary particles, we are trying to find out knowledge about the universe. If you want to do understanding of universe, if you want to do study of universe, yeah, for the knowledge of universe, so the best is what? We should have to go up to this level. So what is the conclusion about this topic? Why we are going to do study of fundamental particle? Answer is for understanding of universe. Again tell me, for understanding of universe. If you want to understand universe means Brahman, Srishti. Okay. If you want to do understanding of Brahman, so we should have to go up to the level of fundamental particles. Clear? So this is just a beginning of the chapter, guys. Even for the understanding of Brahman, okay, there are different theories and models are given. There are different theories and models are given for understanding of Brahman. So there are different theories and models are given for understanding of Brahman. What about these theories and models? I'll write the name of some of them. Event horizon. Event horizon. Next one, singularity. Next one, string theory. Next one, standard model, etc. These are various theories and models. Okay, these are various theories and models. Those are given especially to describe about Brahman. Tell me, what about the name of all the theories and models? Start. First, event horizon. Second, singularity. Third, string theory. Fourth, standard model. Even I'm not going to discuss about these all the theories and models because my topic of discussion is not universe. My topic of discussion is what? Particle physics. Okay, in universe you will get that knowledge. But here I just want to tell you guys, those all theories and models are given here. Okay, a standard model is highly valid. So which theories and models among them, those are mentioned there, guys, highly valid? The answer is the standard model. Answer is what? Standard model. And see, what is standard model belief? Is standard model belief, this entire Brahmand is made up by what? Fundamental particles. Standard model belief, this entire Brahmand is made up by fundamental particles. And by the way, all the discussion is in the surrounding of fundamental particles. See, it means in this entire chapter, those discussion I will do, behind it with model is what? Standard model work. Okay, what is standard model belief? Same thing, guys. This entire Brahman is made up by these fundamental particles. All characteristics featured in the Brahman, it is because of fundamental particles. Clear? It is because of fundamental particles. I think now you people have such idea about it. You know, guys, from the last 6-7 years, one topic is very popular: quantum. You know, quantum. Actually, I want to use the term quantum here. Even quantum topic I'll discuss with you when I'll discuss about a miscellaneous chapter. Many terminologies of the quantum I mentioned in your miscellaneous chapter, 11th chapter. Okay, quantum computers, yeah, quantum computations, quantum key distributions, quantum satellites, quantum entanglements, quantum teleportations. Okay, so what are all these, guys? Actually, everywhere the quantum term is the center. Every terminology started from quantum. So what is the meaning of quantum? If anybody will ask what is the meaning of quantum, the quantum is, just for the understanding, guys, is a very small to small. If any of the characteristics in small to small, small to small to small to small to small, small to small, I think you understood how much small it is. With my expression, you understood? Up to that level of knowledge, yeah, studies you are doing, that is called quantum. So quantum is smallest size of particle. Small to small to small means I'm telling you smallest to smallest size of particle. Behavior and studies if you are doing, we are calling them quantum level. So quantum term defined as what? Smallest size of particles and all. That behavior and all. So you tell me, guys, in fundamental particles, those quarks, lepton, muon are about what them? What them? They all are the quantum type of particles. Okay, so those study in the particle physics we are doing about understanding of quarks, leptons, muons, bosons, everything. It's what? It's the quantum level. Up to which level we are doing the study? Quantum level. Quantum level means at very smallest to smallest level. Even a smallest already our last word. But smallest to smallest, I'm going to force it. Well, this much of a small, what? Quantum particles are there. So this is the reason I can tell you the behavior of our particle physics. This is in another way I can tell you it is entirely quantum mechanics. quantum mechanics. You may ask, quantum particle you understood very well, small to small, smallest size of particle. And what is the meaning of mechanics? Mechanics means behavior. So ultimately, what this particle is doing, the behavior and all, that all the studies will be the part of discussion under particle physics. So somehow particle physics and quantum mechanics are same. In this reference, I'm telling you. Well, yes, sir. Okay. So in such cases, what is the guys? Particle physics and quantum mechanics are same. So ultimately, in the particle physics, again, I'm telling you, add on some more statement. We are going to do a study of quantum particles at the quantum level, quantum mechanics. Clear? Can't remember. Again, I'm telling you, this quantum teleportation, quantum entanglements, quantum key distribution, quantum satellite conventional, quantum satellites, quantum computation, classical computer, every discussion where I'll do in miscellaneous. Not here, but you should be very clear, guys. Particle physics and quantum physics have a link. Notes done. Don't sleep. You continue. Continue. Okay. It does not mean this class will be available on YouTube, so you will not make a notes. I'm telling you people, guys. You people bath early morning. Not look because somebody look like sleepy here. Okay. Tiffin. I will not distribute here. Okay. I'm just asking you. Everybody said no, sir. Even somebody have done the tiffin, but still no, sir. I had now come. Now come concept of zero. Now come concept of zero. Give adding concept of zero. Concept of zero. So concept of zero. Actually, with the help of zero, I'm going to describe you about the concept of universe. So who discovered zero? Hyderabad. 100% wrong. Thank God I came here. Who discovered zero? Ravi sir. These people were genius, guys. Okay. Actually, the man who discovered zero. Okay, if you go on Google, the Brahmagupta is written. Some of the resources are telling some unknown Indian. So ultimately, who discovered zero have a lot of debates. Anybody can come and challenge, but many resources and many standard resources, many different statements. But I have not the interest on who discovered zero in the history part. I have an interest about what Aryabhat said with the help of zero to describe about universe. With the help of zero, Aryabhat described the universe. Okay, I have an interest on that because my topic of discussion is a particle physics. So I just want to tell you how Aryabhat, through the help of zero, defined universe. And everybody knows zero is a mathematical value. Okay, and you remember during discussion of Adi Talvan, where I discovered through Adi Talvan? Space technology. Okay, I told you like L1 point is described by one of the mathematicians, and his name was Lagrange. L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Okay, and that time when I discussed Adi Talvan in the space technology, I told you, actually L1 and all point that is discovered, it is also because of mathematics. You recall or not? I told you those knowledge of Brahman today we have. Here mathematics work. Number one, which subject help us? Mathematics. And number two, which subject help us? Physics. So with the help of mathematics and physics, you got the knowledge about the all entire Brahman. Even you did not have a single 1% knowledge of Brahman, still not even the 1% knowledge of Brahman, but whatever the knowledge even scientists have been giving you, it is because of mathematics and physics. So zero is also what? Mathematical value. Lagrange point where the Adi Talvan is in place, it was also mathematical value. And mathematically it is done. What do you think so guys? Lagrange gone at 1.5 million kilometers away? Please. 1.5 million Lagrange gone? No. But through the help of mathematics, how the mathematics is a genius subject, guys, and you people can predict a lot of information. And here again I'm telling you, Aryabhat was also mathematician. Clear? How through the help of value of zero? Okay, how through the help of value of 0, this Aryabhat defined about Brahman, I will discuss. Acha, you tell me guys, when you people got 0 marks? Childhood. I'm not asking about age. I'm asking about the condition. Childhood, I got 0 marks. Conditions. Acha, when a teacher is giving you 0 marks. Okay, I think I should describe you because you people will start to be emotional somewhere. Because I never have seen more than 0 marks in my life also. So I just want to tell you guys, actually 0 you got when a teacher even not predicted what about the marks he can give you. Sir, you are going to praise me? Yeah. Yes, right. I'm going to praise you this time. Okay, 0, actually 1 to 100 have some marks. Here it is going to define you. But in the case of 0, when the teacher is giving you, in that case is what happened? Yes, sir, it is very difficult to define me. Not understood. In such a way, as I'm telling you guys, if you try to understand, the particle will become very easy. Okay, it means 0, when you got guys, in that time, your teacher was not identify you how much marks he can give you. But then he has given you 0. So sir, man, 0 is that much of big value. कि मतलब a teacher cannot identify me. Even 1 to 100 marks teacher identify, 0 marks not identify. Exactly. In such a way you try to understand about the Brahman. Brahman is actually that much of big you cannot describe till now. Sir, it is a scientific hypothesis? No, it is my philosophy. Okay. It is my philosophy. And on this philosophy, I'm going to describe with you what Aryabhat said, guys, to describe about the universe. But in such a way, as I told you guys, don't tell your papa and mama. Papa, 0 marks. Nobody can describe me. And a 1 to 100, yes, it is definite value. 0 means wow. 0 means wow. Very good. Okay. But don't worry. Here 0 means wow. In your case, 0 means not wow. Okay. So what Aryabhat decided through the help of 0 and to tell about the universe. Very simple, guys. 0 is the mathematical value everyone knows. And this mathematical value is made up by 2 value, guys. After 0 is made up by 2 value. Yes. See, guys. I think your C side is good, guys. Okay. 1 plus and plus 1 minus is equal to what? Tendel is equal to what? 0. If 1 plus, you add on 1 minus. So its sum value is what? 0. So those 0 you did not get anything else, guys. Now you got the 0 is made up by 2 value. Yes, I know. This time, Aryabhat soul is inside my body. Which soul inside my body? The feel Aryabhat is telling you. Okay. So I just want to tell you guys, as 0 is the universe, so 0 is made up by 2 mathematical values. The one is called plus minus. So 1 plus 1 minus is equal to 0. Now definitely you will tell. Everybody connect with me. Particle physics is very interesting topic. Why interesting topic? Why interesting topic? Ravi sir is taking class. Okay, so sweet of you. So sweet of you. God bless you guys. It is already beautiful topic. Ravi sir is taking. Ravi is taking, okay. But it's already very beautiful topic. And by the way, it is not the subject. Okay, so why you are reading the subject? I don't know. Hey, particle physics mention your syllabus? No. Then why you are reading? Question paper 9, question 8, question game. Okay, in the place paper. Okay, don't worry. Still, those people are misguided if they will not see the question paper, the book wala question paper. Because I mentioned that they will never understand about the science and ecology, and it is a very beautiful subject. And 10 plus question, I'm telling you, everybody can solve. And your merit is hardly 35 to 40 questions. Or out of 15 में से 10 अगर you solve, guys, so your prelims will never stop. Or 10 उधर से from environment also. Out of 30-35 questions that UPSC asks at least every year. Even history, politics, economy, geography, number of questions reduce, but science and environment and number of questions never reduce. 10 plus question every year, guys. Clear? Fine. Now question is how the plus and minus. Okay, how 0 means plus and minus. What here the plus and minus describe? See, guys, plus is what? Plus is here, guys, that is matter. Try to understand. Plus is here what? Matter. And minus is what? That is the antimatter. So plus is matter here and minus is the antimatter here. When the matter and antimatter combine together, they form universe. So this is what? This is universe. This is universe. This is universe. So universe is made up of, tell me, matter and antimatters. The universe is made up of matter and antimatters. Now question is, what is matter and what about antimatters? First, let me discuss about matter, guys. I'm very sure many people can tell me what is matter. School time, you're a dead, guys. Anybody? Which occupy space only and have some mass. No, the half portion you will tell, half portion you will tell. Right? Anybody tell complete statement? Combine together, na, these two statements. These are those which have a mass and occupy certain space is called matter. Not clear. Matters are those which have a mass and occupy certain space. Where? Anywhere in the Brahman. Again, tell what is the matter, guys? These are those which have a mass and occupy certain space. Right? Anybody right, guys? They have mass and occupy certain space. Where? Anywhere. Better you write universe, not matter, guys. Okay, so what are the matter? They have, tell me everyone, what is matter? They have mass and occupy certain space is called matter. Okay, definitely you may ask, sir, tell me example. A big example is in front of you, you cannot see example. I have some mass or not? I occupy some Brahman में some place or not? You also, don't worry, है ना? अरे tell matter. Madam, oh, my mobile also here. Up now, let me complete. Me matter, you matter, madam don't matter. Your spec matter, your pen matter, your copy matter, your chappal matter, your bottle matter, everything matter. 1 minute, camera matter. Those people are watching my class, either not watching or watching. They all are matters. Go outside from the class. Scooter, bikes, everything matter. Take dust particle in your hand, matter. In the night you see sky. What matter in the sky? Sky not matter. In sky, star matter. Sky matter. Moon matter. Don't tell. You are wrong to wrong. Okay. Don't try to defend, sir, in such a way. Sky mein everything is there. No. Sky mein what is there, guys? Stars, moons, even sun you can see. These all are the matters. Now you people feel, even yes, true. In my body, guys, every organ is a matter. Within my organ, those cell and tissues are there is a matter. Within my cell, nucleus and DNA is a matter. Did you understand not? After what you feel, sir, look like in Brahman, everything is what? Matter and matters. I'm very sure. What about your curiosity right now? Sir, there is an antimatter. I know. Don't worry, antimatter you will understand very easily. But for understanding of antimatters, you write some statement. But your statement will be just after 3-4 lines. After 3-4 lines, right? Because here I do something else. In 3-4 lines, do something right here. And matter and antimatter as a combined subheading. Okay, matter and antimatters. Combinedly, you write a subheading. Matter and antimatters. Okay, how to describe the matter and antimatters? You know, these both two have same mass, but they have different charges, right? In such a way, these both two have same mass, right, everyone? These both two have same mass. These both two have same mass, but they have different charges. So these both two have same mass, but they have different charges. So these both two have same mass, but they have different charges. Okay, everyone. So these both two have same mass, but they have different charges. Even I will write here, guys. Those mass matter have similar mass, antimatter have. So these both two have same mass. Yes or no? But they have different charges. Different charges means if this is positive, so this is negative. Or this is negative, so this is positive. So these both two have same mass, but they have opposite charges. Everybody clear? These both two have same mass, but they have opposite charges. Definitely, I will like to give you example, guys, because you will have a more and more curiosity to know about the antimatters examples. See, guys. One example of matter antimatters here I'll give you. Okay, see, guys. The better I'm telling you electrons. Better I'm telling you electrons. Okay, what about its antimatter, guys? Positron. Maybe somebody have an idea about the electron and positron. You know, the electron and positron both have what? Similar mass. Electron and positron what? Both have a similar mass. Okay, but if you see electrons, electron is negative charge. What about positron? Positron have positive charge. If you read the chemistry, guys, even modern physics, yeah, chemistry, atomic structure, okay. So definitely 9th standard of books, NCERT, electron, positron name already mentioned in your NCERT book. So you understood very well, guys. If electron is a matter, so what about positron? Is the antimatter. Yeah, better to you keep the positron as a matter. If you keep the positron as a matter, the electron will be its a antimatter. Okay, electron will be its a antimatter. In such a way, guys, matter antimatter you can understand. Definitely you may ask another question, sir, as frequently you have given me the example of matter, you matter, me matter, bicycle matter, sun matter, star matter. So tell me frequently the example of antimatter. So here I will be what? Silent. I have not done more and more example of antimatters. Few more example I can give you, like proton is a matter. Antiproton is what? That is antimatter. Antiproton is what? That is antimatter. Some more example I can give you, guys, but more and more example of antimatter is not possible to give you. Have you may ask, sir, why? Because, guys, antimatters are very less known. Antimatters are very less discovered. Okay, but yes, antimatter should be. Why? Because Brahmand is not only made up by matters, Brahmand is made up by matter and antimatters both. So logically, scientifically, if matter exists, so definitely parallel of matter, antimatter should also exist somewhere. Did you understand or not? Even, guys, I just want to tell you, okay, scientists are trying to develop antimatters. Scientists are trying to discover antimatters if they are available anywhere, and even not only try to discover if they are available somewhere, even they are trying to develop also. Even they are trying to develop also. They are not only going to discover the antimatters, they are trying to develop artificially. Okay, so sir, artificially antimatters can be also developed. Yes, today in particle physics, one topic of discussion I will do, that is called CERN experiment. Okay, that is called as a CERN experiment. Okay, that is called as a CERN experiment. In this CERN experiment, actually this CERN experiment performed for the understanding of God particles. Okay, to get the knowledge about the God particle. God particle means Ishwar Kan. Okay, so actually in this case of CERN experiment, where the scientists try to find out about the God particle existence that exists in the Brahmand or not, in this experiment, guys, antimatters also develop artificially. It means antimatters artificially scientists made in the laboratory. Did you understand or not? So antimatters discover, those are available in nature. Antimatter discover, those are available in nature. Up see, guys, this positron, yes or no? This antiproton discovered, and side by side antimatters artificially also develop. Artificially also develop. But I just want to tell you, in this CERN experiment, guys, it was a very, very costly experiment. Okay, massive and many millions of dollars. Okay, even spent here, guys, spent here, and in this cases, artificially antimatters develop. So I just want to tell you, to develop antimatters artificially is not an easy task. Do you understand? It is very, very difficult, but still scientists made them successful. But see, guys, again I'm repeating, just those antimatter he had developed in this experiment, it was developed just for a very short period of time. Okay, and very short period of time those antimatter developed, massive expenditure happened, okay, for this. And this is the reason, guys, discovery of antimatters and development of antimatters, okay, still it is very difficult, but scientists are trying to find out. Even one of the laboratory at international level, that is very big laboratory, this name is called as, I think, Brookhaven National Laboratory. This is what? Brookhaven National Laboratory. I'm not very sure, but I think it is somewhere in New York. Okay, means USA. It's a Brookhaven National Laboratory. One of the questions UPSC asked in your paper from the Brookhaven National Laboratory. Even those discussion I'm doing here, guys, around 2-3 questions of UPSC you already solved. So sir, when we have started the class from beginning till now, hardly around 30-40 minutes. Okay, I'm able to solve 2-3 questions of prelims exactly, guys. But at last I will show you. Okay, once when I show you the question paper, at least all 9 question, 8 question you were able to solve. Fine. So Brookhaven National Laboratory is somewhere in US, guys. I think New York. It's a very rich laboratory. Rich laboratory means massive expenditure in this laboratory perform. I think you know very well, guys. For research and development, what is required? Money. You know, whenever the budget released, every government said this much of funding I'm going to give for ISRO, this much of funding in defense sector, this much of funding. You listen it or not? The same thing. So a massive expenditure in this laboratory America is doing. And it's a what? It's a those laboratory, guys, where big level of research is going on. Actually, in this big level of research, one of the research is what? That is based on antimatters. So actually here scientists are doing more and more experiment and to get the more and more knowledge about the antimatters. Did you understand? Here one more statement I'll tell you. Very interesting statement that I found. In Brookhaven National Laboratory, many scientists are the Indian scientists those are working. Because in India, such kind of laboratory is not available. Understood or not? See, many Indian scientists, they are outside India. We see Khurana got the Nobel Prize because he was in outside of India. Because in that area, have a big level of laboratories. And because of big level of laboratories and all, they can do the big level of research. We scientists are so much intelligent, guys. But the problem is resources. If resources will be good, they will do something for the nation, guys. So research and development is very important. Did you understand or not? And this is the reason government is releasing time to time what? Funding. Okay, funding. So now overall, what is the conclusion of it? Conclusion of it, why antimatter study are important for us. See, if you want to get the knowledge of universe, matter already known, yes or no? Tell me everyone. Yes, matter already known, massive and massive. Antimatter mostly not known. If we get the knowledge about the antimatter, matter already known, so we will get the knowledge about the Brahmanda not. It means if you want to understand about the universe, so antimatter knowledge will be very helpful to you. Did you understand? Definitely you may ask here. Okay, how antimatters are useful for us? So any of the example those UPSC asks, study of universe, very good. Study of star, very good. Study of celestial body, very good. Star formation, very good. Death of star, very good. Supernova, very good. Galaxy, very good. Milky Way, very good. But you people always apply. But any kind of information you write 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Not understood. Be smart, guys. 1, 2, 3 example I'm giving you. So UPSC gave you 4 example. So I'm giving you what? Hanumanji never knew na where is the Sanjuni Booty. So what about the maximum possibility I'm giving you? So any of the information that UPSC will write as a 1 statement, 2 statement, 3 statement, 4 statement, and every statement looking like some of the galaxy, Brahman, star, supernova kind of terminology is here. So all are right. Clear? All are right. Okay. Now in this conclusions. So why antimatter knowledge are very important? In one word, in one statement, I ask you for understanding. In many statement, I ask you, sir, galaxy, Milky Way, supernova, star, asteroid, celestial body. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Then you start to explain everything. Be smart, guys. Don't be factual student. Factual student cannot qualify UPSC. See, some interesting antimatters where you people will surprise your shock. Who is this? You. Not me, you. Why me? It's you. And parallelly it is what? It is also one more you. One more you. You, this you. Yeah, you are you, this you. I don't know you. Which you? But yes, either this or this, any of you was here. So I think you understood. It's your matter, it's your antimatter. It's a parallel concept. Similarly, guys, this is the Earth. Earth have a mass? Yes or no? Yes. Similarly, this is another Earth. Another Earth still have a same mass? Parallel universe, parallel mass, parallel Earth. And here what happened? Gravity is toward the center. This is the Earth, na guys? Yes. Earth have a mass and have a gravity. Gravity is going to attract toward the center. Similarly, this is another Earth and have a mass, and here gravity is towards the periphery. We are on this Earth, everybody know. But parallelly, this Earth should also be somewhere. 1 minute. I am not telling you. Concept of matter and antimatter is telling you. Those scientists believe. My God. Sir, one more of you people are somewhere. Sir, one more place, Earth is somewhere. Tell. My God, not wow. Here wow. It's something wonderful. My God, you cannot imagine such thing, guys. I feel like, my God, how this universe is. Control. On the behalf of, let me conclude right now. On the behalf of, I can tell you guys, like there is a concept of parallel universe. Those concept of parallel universe is defined. Okay, on the behalf of, I can tell you the concept of parallel universe was defined. Okay, it is right. In those universe we are here. Parallelly, one more universe is possible, 100%, because it's a concept of matter and antimatters. This universe knowledge you already not have. Those who are trying to get more and more knowledge, even I told you guys, 1% even knowledge of universe you did not have. Even if I ask you where is the center of universe, silent. What is the size of universe? Silent. I'm silent. Silent. I did not tell anything. Hello. Just over. So a lot of discussion about the matters, antimatters, I already explained here, guys. Okay. Now come another concepts. Now the 2-3 questions of your UPSC already solved. Now come another discussion, guys. Another discussion about very interesting concepts. Very good. So your heading will be origin of universe to formation of life. Give a heading, big heading. Origin of universe to formation of life. Give a heading. Origin of universe to formation of life. So origin of universe to formation of life. What is this concept of origin of universe to formation of life? Asha, if I ask you guys, even the NCERT also mentioned, which theory is highly valid? What theory? What theory? Origin of Earth. Tell. Now you tell. Listen completely, guys. Which theory? Very big one. What explain? Origin of universe, origin of Earth. Abhi origin I did not ask. Origin of what? No, I'm not telling. You are telling. Wrong. This is the another problem that you people create a problem. You are not reading the proper question. Tick. Wrong. Fail. Out from the class. Basically, now out. Listen. Which theory is highly valid for understanding of Brahman? You have to define Brahman. Now you tell Big Bang theory. A standard model is for understanding. I am telling you which theory highly valid to define about origin of universe. Big Bang theory. Okay. There are so many theories are given, guys, but Big Bang theory is highly valid. Don't worry. I will prove also. But first you listen Big Bang. According to Big Bang theory, generally, in this Big Bang theory, when the Brahman originated, the time period of Brahman origin is 13.6 billion years ago. Those scientists predicted Brahman originated 13.6 billion years ago. Brahman originated around 13.6 billion years ago. 13.6 means I think billion Arab. 13.6 Arab saal pehle origin of Brahman happened. Okay. Ab see, sir, how was the Brahman? Those originated according to Big Bang theory. Those are highly valid theory. So I'll tell you guys, the whole entire Brahman was. Can you see this backside? Can you see this? Tell no, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Malab, this much of small, it's very difficult to see. Yes or no? Yes. Achha, okay, I'll make visible. Wait. Not visible? Now tell yes, sir. When it was said no, then they said yes. When I said yes, then I said no. Come. Actually, 13.6 billion years ago and before it, the whole entire Brahmand was just in a small size of particle. Whole entire Brahmand was just in a small size of particle. So it was your Brahmand, guys. People think, are you all right, sir? I am 100% all right. I have done my breakfast also, a little bit. So I have my energy and sense everything. Green tea, yes, green tea I am taking. Okay, green tea. Try to understand, guys. According to Big Bang theory, the whole entire Brahmand was in a small size of particle. Those million of the galaxies and the stars and all you people can imagine right now, those many people even describe about the Brahmand, these all were in the small size of particles. It's very difficult to understand, but try to understand because it's a Big Bang theory. Okay, and the same cap wala example, very good, madam, very good, Hannah. So sweet, Hannah. So it's broken, yeah, it's already shaped like this. Oh, very interesting shape of cap, it's already broken shape. Coming like this? No. Coming like this, okay, very good shape. 200 people are here and 5,000 people are there. Those are reading live, listening to live classes. And 5 lakh people in the coming future they will see. And then automatically become 50 lakhs. So it's very near to 140 crore population of India. मतलब अगर फेंक ही रहे हो तो अच्छे से फेंको. मतलब देश 2100 में डेवलप हो जाएगा. ना आप रहोगे ना मैं रहूंगा, है ना? अच्छा, come here, point. So I just want to tell you guys, if you all 5 lakh people, whenever they will see this video, 50 kilogram each, don't mind. Why mind करेंगे सर मैं हल्का कैसे हो गया? फीमेल कहेंगे सर मैं ज़्यादा कैसे हो गया? But problem तो हर किसी का है, the 50 kg each, and everybody try to come inside. You see the hole? No sir. No sir. Imagine this is a hole. No sir. Everybody try to come inside. Everybody will come inside, not practically. Theoretically, मुझे पता है what you think, guys, and you told me earlier also. Sir, first you go inside, है ना? Nobody will go inside practically. Theoretically, come. Why I go inside? See this shape and my shape. Just imagine. Just imagine. So whole 5 lakh, 5 million people, when they will come in this cap hole, so what will be the condition? Theoretically, try to understand. What will be the theoretical conditions? See, guys, its density. The density, see, I'm writing here, guys. Plus, you just see here, guys. What about the density? Its density will be very high. How much density? Understood? See my fresh face expression. Imagine, guys, if this whole entire Brahmand, it will come in the small size of particle, so what will be density? Exactly the Brahmand was like this. So that's why I cannot imagine. I'm just telling you its density was very. You understood how much expression? See my expression? Very high? Okay, very good. And what about the temperature? Just a minute, guys. You feel, I want you to feel, guys, science and tech, okay? That you are in my class. Not time taking class. UPSC qualifying class. Are you praising yourself, sir? No, I am telling you reality. I'm telling you reality. Now see, guys, if everybody will come inside forcibly, of course density is very high. And what about temperature? Of course, massive. You just imagine if you size reduce, you see body is going to heat up. Yes or no? If everybody will come inside the small density area, guys, so temperature will high, massive and massive. And here the every celestial bodies of the Brahman, million to million of the everything is coming inside, guys. Do you understand? So what will be the temperature here? Not very. Millions. Crore and crore. See my expression. Crore and crore. Controls control. This is very funny but meaningful statement that I'm telling you guys. Yes or no? I think now you people can imagine. Literally try to imagine, guys. Definitely when the Brahman originated, in that time the density was very high, and definitely the temperature will be millions and millions. Okay, here in the beginning I'll tell you one statement. Even I did not read anywhere in any of the research journals what can be a maximum limit or maximum temperature of Brahman is possible. Not even any book, any journal published what about the maximum temperature of Brahman is possible. So crore and crore degree Celsius temperature is possible. So any limit, if any research paper or research journal not published, it means what about the temperature of Brahman can go? Massive and massive. I could not read. Maybe any research paper anybody is telling, but I did not read anywhere. So according to me, my own knowledge, there is no maximum limit of Brahman. Did you understand? But low limit of Brahman is available. What about the minimum temperature of Brahman? Anyone? Exactly. The minimum temperature of Brahman is what? That is the absolute zero. Yes, that was the point I wanted to tell you. Absolute zero. What about the minimum temperature of Brahman? Absolute zero. Absolute zero is what? 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius. Very good. The maximum temperature of Brahman, I did not get anywhere. So according to my own knowledge, till now those I have, there's no limit. But minimum temperature of the Brahman has some limit. And that limit is what? Minus 273 degrees Celsius temperature. And yeah, you can call as a 0 Kelvin. Okay, 0 Kelvin. Okay, this is just a knowledge, kindly remember, guys. Okay, now come here, guys. This is the place here. In this period of time, the Brahman was like this. Density was massive and massive, and temperature was millions and millions. Okay, and see, this kind of conditions definitely will be stable or unstable? Unstable. This type of condition will definitely be unstable. Reply me everywhere, guys. Then you feel connecting with me. Okay, this kind of condition was what? Unstable. And see, in this period of time, the entire Brahman was in dark conditions. So this was the place which was totally dark. This was the place which was totally dark, and this densities and temperature is massive and massive that you can see here, guys. And finally, what happened, guys? It is unstable conditions. Up see in this cap, if everybody will come inside, massive and massive is unstable. And finally, what happened? Massive explosion. And massive explosion is what? In English, what it is called as a Big Bang. Big Bang is a technical words. Its behavioral meaning is what? Massive explosion happened. So I just can tell you guys what happened finally. A massive explosion happened. What happened here? A massive explosion happened. And this massive explosion is called as a what? Big Bang happened. So now tell me, guys, what is the meaning of Big Bang? Tell me. Massive explosion. It means the origin of Brahman started with the massive explosion. Now Brahman originated. Okay, and see, those massive explosion happen. See, everybody, you see, focus here, please. Those every celestial body was inside. Means here, guys. When they start to blast here, guys, massive explosion, so every celestial body start to come out. Okay, now they start to come out. 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 Tell now. Start to come out. Start. Very good. Very intelligent. Very intelligent. Very intelligent. Very intelligent. Very good. Start to come out. See. Wait. See. This is the place. This is the place. Just listen, guys. Very carefully, guys. It's a technical part. Okay. When every celestial body start to come outside, they start to move very, very fast. Yes or no? Start to move very. Why? That density was massive, guys. They cannot bear such density. They blast and move very fast. Move very fast. Move very fast. Everywhere they're moving very, very fast. Very, very fast. Very, very fast. Very, very fast. Clear? Fine. Up, see, guys. When the all and still this is the place, and I'm very sure, guys, you can understand very well. This is the center of Brahman. But still nobody reached this place. Maybe in the coming future, any telescope will give the idea about it. You remember in the case of space technology, Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Telescope. When I told you, I told you, James Webb telescope still could not reach up to that level. Maybe guys, the next generation telescope in the coming future, maybe me and you would not be here guys. Some scientists develop and we reach up to this level. Clear? And but you know very well, this is the center of Brahman. Till now, nobody have reached. Not even any telescope is going to reach up to this level, giving that this level of knowledge. Up see guys, when the celestial bodies start to come outside, so what happened guys? Now in the Brahman guys, construction and destruction process started. What happened in the Brahman? Construction and destruction process started. Now you may ask a question, sir, how construction and destruction process is required? Very simple guys. When the celestial body came outside, what will happen? See here, see everybody. Hello. See, when they start to come outside, guys, so there is a possibility one celestial body is going to hit to the another celestial body. Yes or no? And break into various pieces. This is called another possible. One celestial body fused with the another celestial body and form a single celestial body. This is called. Have you understood me very well? What about the meaning of construction and destruction? And this construction and destruction here continue. See, continue. And see, this process still continue in the Brahman as scientists are giving the statement. So, sir, it means in this period of time in Brahman, what happened? Still. Brahman expand. And see, UPSC asked one of the questions 17 around. What is the reason behind the expansion of Brahman? What is the reason behind the expansion of Brahman? That I will discuss later on. Some theories and some research practical. Okay, what Doppler said, what microwave theory said, that will be the next part of discussion. But yes, those Brahman started to expand from the 13.6 billion years ago with the massive explosion of Brahman, origin of Brahman. Still the Brahman is moving. So nobody knows. Right now you are here in the Brahman. After next time, where you will go in the Brahman? So your locations, where is the Brahman? Nobody knows. So you are telling, sir, I have a land on the earth. I also don't know where is the land on your earth because you don't know where is the earth. See one thing, guys. Those construction destruction process happen. Now this process of many billion years continue. See, many billion years this process continue. Many billion years the process continue. See, guys, what happened? The density of the Brahman. The density of Brahman that was very, now it reaches up very high. And temperature that was millions, now it reached how much? Millions. Now, millions of the degree Celsius temperature. I think you understood little bit. I have done the changes, something like that's massive and little by it's still massive, but not that much of level. And conceptually, you can understand definitely, sir, it will be there. And see, in this period of time, still Brahman is what? It is in dark condition. Okay, and many billion years passed, guys. Many billion years passed. Okay, many billion years passed here. Step by step you follow, guys. Okay, step by step. Now I'll go to the next step. What is that? Because from Big Bang till the origin of life I am discussing. Abhi to origin of life you people nanna munna rahi. Abhi wait na. I will develop on the planet Earth. Should I proceed now? Yes, sir. Okay, follow me. But understanding is very important, guys. Science is not a fact. Science is a concept. Now in this Brahman, various fundamental particles. Now in this Brahman, various fundamental particles are elementary particles. Various fundamental particles are elementary particles came. Of these fundamental particles, I will write here, guys. See, quarks, leptons, muons, bosons, neutrinos, etc. That you have seen. Total 17, etc. Total 17. So quarks, leptons, muons, bosons, neutrinos, etc. Okay. Now these all the fundamental particles came in this Brahman. Now you may ask a question, sir, how they came? Here in this case, I'll tell you, those scientists told missing link. Missing link. It means a proper appropriate information not available. Scientists could not connect in with very accurate manner. Understood? So that is the reason it is best to define as a missing link. So from backside, from where it came, some scientists believe like neutrinos came just at the time of Big Bang. Did you understand or not? Some scientists believe that neutrinos came just at the time of Big Bang. Everybody understood? So abhi here in that cases, guys, not exactly even the information is the fixed information. So that's why I'm telling you missing link. And scientists also believe, scientists also mention it's a missing link. So main source of quarks, lepton, muon, boson, nobody is telling right now. But yes, these all came after certain billion years of the origin of Brahman. Did you understand my statement or not? So don't be confused with the missing link, guys. Acha, now I'm going to the next slide. And because some quarks and lepton discussion is required, and then again further I will come back to proceed this further, how the origin of life happened. Yes. Clear everyone? Okay, so just wait and come here, guys. Those quarks you can see here, guys. Those quark study we are doing here right now, this quarks actually is a fundamental particles. It is discovered 6 types of quarks. How many types of quarks? 6 types of quarks discovered. Okay, total 6 types of quarks discovered. In these 6 types of quarks, 3 up quark, 3 up quark, and 3 down quark. So in the nature those quarks are discovered, guys, there are 6 types, 3 up quarks and 3 down quarks. 3 up quarks and 3 down quarks. 3 up quarks and 3 down quarks. Three up quark and 3 down quark. Now listen, guys. When 2 up quark and 1 down quark, see here, fuse together. Achha, just a minute. Many people may have a question, sir, what is up and what is down? What is up and what is down? Same pen this, no? Do you have some idea about the electron spinning, clock, anti-clock? In 9th standard, you know, when we read atomic structure wala chapter, उसमें ना एक topic होता था cell subcells. First electrons going clockwise, then electron go in anti-clockwise. That is called as the spinning. And you see in the railway sleeper, one friend is sleeping like this, another friend is sleeping like this. Yes or no? Anti-clockwise. Exact. No, sir? Yes? Yes, sir. Achha, you are always in the aeroplane, so how you know? We are in railway sleeper wala. You know? And it's good. Your habit is good. Next you will be collector, deputy collector, secretary. So definitely you are executive class. We are janta wala class. You know? He kept this habit from the beginning. Very good. I like this spirit. Very good. I'm just telling you guys. Actually, similarly, quarks also have a spinning. Not understood. Similarly, quarks, just like an electron, have a spinning of clock and anti-clockwise. It's a electron condition within the cell subcells. Similarly, I'm telling you guys, the quarks also have a spinning, guys. Up quark and down quark. Actually, a little bit you understood around. I'm connecting this concept with chemistry actually. Okay. Agar not understood still, some spinning happens, finished. You just remember 1 minute. You have seen Baba, Mahatma Gandhi ji, but you remember na? You also remember. Simple. अच्छा ऐसा होता है, कहानी खत्म. नहीं, what you people have seen. तुम्हारा हिस्ट्री टीचर बाबर देख के आगे पढ़ाता है. पागल हो गया. अंडरस्टूड ना? महात्मा गांधी को देखा है क्या? अच्छा ऐसे होगा, चश्मा लगाते होंगे, है ना? क्यूट से होंगे, है ना? अब छोटे संख्या में क्यूट से पूरे देश को जोड़ दिया होगा. मतलब महान आत्मा है भाई. He was a barrister, guys. मतलब पढ़ लिख के आया वाला आदमी, इतना इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन, चाहता तो वो अपनी जिंदगी जी सकता था. बैरिस्टर इन दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बाहर से पढ़ के आ रहा है, अफ्रीका में क्या कर गया, मतलब व्हाट एवर आई लिसन गाइस, है ना. और यहाँ इंडिया में आने के बाद ऊपर से देखा कि लोगों के पास कपड़े नहीं है ना, कहा हम भी नहीं पहनेंगे. एक धोती लपेटा और पूरा देश घूम गया। और यू पीपल लग्जरी, यू वांट लग्जरी। भाई गांधी बनने के लिए ऐसे थोड़ी ना गांधी बिकम गांधी, कुछ किया होगा।
Yes.
भाई ही कैन एंजॉय करोड़ एंड करोड़ रुपीस, 5 स्टार होटल में रह सकते थे वो, पागल ही आदमी थे वो, घूम गए है नहीं। चलो अब जो भी किया आप लोग देखो, है ना, हमारा तो टाइम हो गया, अपना देखो। मतलब these people are literally have done something for the nations. अब how you feel, what you not feel, it's your matter, okay? ऐसा नहीं है, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, भगत सिंह, गांधी, everybody had contribution. हर किसी का तरीका अलग था, पर मकसद एक था। मकसद एक था, मकसद was a beautiful nation, independent nation. तरीका अलग था। I'm praising Gandhi, I'm praising चंद्रशेखर आजाद also, भगत सिंह also. क्योंकि सबका मकसद तो एक ही था ना। जस्ट यू पीपल गाइस, यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी, ही इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर, सी इज प्रिपेयरिंग अदर कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन। तो पर्पस ऑफ सब कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन का एक ही है ना, बच्चे का सिलेक्शन होना चाहिए। तो दैट इज द रीजन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल दिस कोचिंग इज रॉन्ग, दैट कोचिंग इज रॉन्ग, है ना। पर्पस सबका क्या है, बट हाँ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि दे शुड हैव टू टीच विद ऑनेस्टी, एंड नॉट ओनली द कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन, इवन टीचर्स आल्सो। एक मिनट, व्हाई टीचर्स आर कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन, स्टूडेंट आल्सो, कि आर यू सीरियस इन दिस प्रिपरेशन और नॉट, यू आर मेकिंग फूल योर पेरेंट्स। हर जगह अप्लाई होता है ये, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट। चलो थोड़ा फिलोसफिकल हो गया, लौट आते हैं ना, मुझे तो पता चलेगा फिलोसफी का 1-2 चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा। अब सी 2 अपवर्ड 1 डाउनवर्ड, मतलब 2 ऐसे और एक ऐसा, है ना। 2 like this and 1 is like this, and they form what? Proton. 1 upward and 2 downward. When they fuse together, they form neutron. They form what? Neutron. So it's a what? It's a proton, it's a neutron. What is the next one, guys? Next. So I think you understood very well how proton neutron form. How proton neutron form with the help of quarks. Next one is leptons. Lepton is still of many types, 6 types. But I just want to tell you guys, this lepton fuse together and form electrons. But here I am not going to discuss in more detail, as like to discuss in the case of proton and neutron. Okay, just like 2 up quark and 1 down quark, they fuse together, they form a proton. 1 up quarks and 2 down quark fuse together, they form a neutron. Even they all have some charges also, guys. But I'm not going to discuss about the charges and all. Just like a proton is what? Plus n, plus 1. Neutron is what? 0. Electron is what? Minus 1. If you count all the quarks and here, na, so you will get the answer is a plus 1, 0 and minus 1. Okay, but I'm not going to discuss about it. How the quarks fuse together, they form a plus 1, they form 0 and they form a minus 1. Okay, that discussion is not required because we are here in the UPSC classes. But yes, when you count the charges of quark, even every quarks have some charges again, I'm telling you. This quark charge, if you count 2 quarks and 1 down, it becomes plus 1. This quark charge you down, it becomes as a 0. And this lepton charges, agar you see count guys, it becomes minus 1. That means lepton from electron, quarks from proton, quarks from neutron in such a way. Everybody clear? So now I will be back here, guys. Everybody have written it? Now come here, guys. Now come here. See here in this case. Now, see. Quark is formed here. अब this quark form proton. This quark form neutron. Everybody clear or not? And this lepton that you can see, it form what? It form electrons. Quarks form proton, neutron, that you already have seen in the earlier discussion. Lepton form the electron. Now see guys, one thing. 1 proton and 1 electron. See guys. See here, this one is interesting. When 1 proton and 1 electron fuse together, what they form? Which element form because of 1 electron and 1 proton? Which element have a 1 electron and 1 proton? Hydrogen. So ultimately, I can tell you the first element hydrogen form in Brahman, and first element in the chemistry also. Acha, you tell me. Hydrogen, 1H2. Yes or no? The lower value of hydrogen in the chemistry is called atomic number. Upper value is called as a what? Atomic mass. Atomic number represents number of electron or number of proton. Atomic mass represents the proton plus neutron. Yes or no? Proton plus. Now through the help of atomic number, you can count number of electron 1, number of proton 1. Yes or no? And here you got, guys, proton number is 1, 1 plus n is equal to 2, so exactly n number also what? Is equal to 1. So here it means in the case of hydrogen, electron 1, proton 1, neutron 1, you found it or not? What you are getting here, guys? 1 proton, 1 electron. So which element will form in the chemistry, guys? And why chemistry, I will tell you. Which element form in the Brahman? The answer is the hydrogen. And hydrogen was the first element in chemistry. Hydrogen was the first element in the Brahman. Now I can tell you, guys, this is what? This is the Brahman. Yes or no? Stop writing here, guys. This is the Brahman. Now here in the Brahman, I can tell you hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Yes or no? Yes, sir. And you have idea about it, guys. Hydrogen. Hydrogen. Okay, 1H2 plus 1H2 is equal to what? 2He4 plus heat or energy. And this is the nuclear fusion reaction. In nuclear energy chapter, I told you guys, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Aren't we just an experiment? Yes, sir. Have you not read what I do? It's your problem. I told you guys, hydrogen, one small size of atom fused together, form a large size of atom. In this case, those heat or energy generate. It's called fusion energy. Yes or no? So one fuse form a 2. Helium. Now see, guys, in this case is the sun form. Nuclear fusion example is the star and sun. So when hydrogen form in this Brahman, so what will come? Now hydrogen fuse and star formation happen. Now in the Brahman, star formation start. In this star, one of the star was our sun. It means those Brahman was dark. Now we'll tell you the Brahman in the light. Now it's what happened? Hydrogen fused together. Brahman got light. Light means star means sun. Here many stars form. In this many star, our star was sun. Sun also formed. In such a way, guys, now those Brahman was in dark condition. This Brahman got lights. So this all the pink color, try to feel this is the star. Did you understand? Yes, star formation happened. If I ask you guys, what is the reason behind the light in the Brahman? Only stars. Some miscellaneous condition is possible like supernova or some other condition, but only stars. Even supernova is also death phase of stars. Did you understand? Yes, and here many stars form. In that stars, one of the stars was our sun. Now come here, guys. As hydrogen form, backside some more proton form, some more electron form, some more neutron form. Yes or no? Some more neutron. See, agar 2 electron form, it's a helium. 3 electron form, it's lithium. 4 electron form, it's beryllium. 5 electron form, it's a boron. 6 electron form, it's a carbon. 7 form, it's a nitrogen. Agar you have a little bit chemistry idea, you can understand what I'm telling you, but this much of chemistry idea everybody know. So in such a way, guys, as hydrogen form, carbon, nitrogen, every element start to form. Did you understand? And today in your chemistry periodic table have 118 elements, 120 elements. Yes, sir. Slowly discovered all those are available in the Brahman. In the case of Chandrayaan 3, wahan pe bhi you send the rover to detect about the silicon is there or not, germanium is there or chromium is there or not. Yes or no? Everywhere. And see, these elements are discovered. Sometimes somewhere some extra element discovered. Tab identify it's a 119 element of chemistry. Yes or no? But till now total 117, 118, 120 around discovered. Fine. This is here. Now come here, guys. Hydrogen. Now see, these all the elements when they fuse together, they form gases. Yes or no? When these elements fuse together, they form what? They form gases. When these elements fuse together, they form, what about the gases? See, methane. CH fuse together, what they form? Methane. NH fuse together, what they form? Ammonia. HH fuse together, what they form? Hydrogen. Water vapor. Next is what? Water vapor. So methane, ammonia, hydrogen, water vapor form. Methane, ammonia, hydrogen, water vapor form. These all the gases form. Everybody clear? See, guys, these all the gases those form. Okay, now just keep in a container. Guys. Okay, now just keep in the container. I'm not doing this. Stanley Miller has done. What is Stanley Miller has done? Here I'm telling you about the Stanley Miller experiment. Okay, here one of the person name I'm going to write. That name of the person is a Stanley Miller. See, what Stanley Miller has done? Stanley Miller has taken a container. In this container, he has given the electric current. What he has given? Electric current. Stanley Miller has given what here inside? Electric current. In this container, Stanley Miller has done some experiment. Why electric current he has given? Because everybody know for the origin of life, energy is required. And scientists believe, guys, those first life originated on the planet Earth. The source of energy in that period of time was clouding and thundering. When the clouding and thundering happened, you know, bijli vidhi chamakte, clouding and thundering. So electricity fall down. Electricity fall down means electron fell down. And those electricity fell down, that is electron fell down. That energy as a source of energy was used in the what? In the mixing of all the gases, and the gases form what? After a few days in this container, what is Stanley Miller found? Do you know? Stanley Miller found fatty acid and glycerol. Stanley Miller found what? Fatty acid and glycerol. Stanley Miller found what? Amino acid. Stanley Miller got what? Glucose. Stanley Miller got glucose, Stanley Miller amino acid, Stanley Miller got fatty acid and glycerol. And see one thing more, guys, here. The Stanley Miller got everything. See, now what happened? You know, glucose is what? It's a carbohydrate. Glucose is simply fast. It is what? It is a carbohydrate. Amino acid complex form is what? Protein. Fatty acid complex form is what? Fat. It means on this planet Earth, guys, whenever Earth atmosphere have a methane, ammonia, hydrogen and water vapor, they fuse together and they form a protein, fat and carbohydrate. Okay, and see, this fat, protein and carbohydrate is where? In life. In plant, they have. In animal, they have. In microorganism, they have. If I ask you guys inside your body, what is available? Sir, protein, fat and carbohydrates. Any plant, protein, fat, carbohydrate. Any bacteria, protein, fat, carbohydrate. Every living organism is made up by what? Protein, fat and carbohydrates. And see, this is the question paper in UPSC examination, but old pattern. Old pattern means before 2011. New pattern of prelims examination started from 11 onwards. So UPSC asked this question: which gas were in primitive atmosphere? Which gas were in primitive atmosphere? Those involved in origin of life. The answer was methane, ammonia, hydrogen, water vapor. Is Stanley Miller experiment. When Stanley Miller experiment, if you read the NCERT origin of life chapter, okay, Stanley Miller experiment is there. So I think you people understood very well. So origin of Brahman to origin of life. In between, I could not discuss where Earth originated, but I just want to tell you in this period of time. In this period of time, what happened, guys? Earth originated. Here, Earth originated. But I am not going to discuss about the Earth origin, etc. Of course, when the Earth originated, later the life will come. Okay, Earth origin. Again, for the Earth origin, guys, various geographical theory you will read. Your geography teacher even will discuss with you about different types of what? Okay, Earth origin theory. Okay, and scientists believe the Earth originated around 4.6 billion years ago. So from today time, guys, from today, how much year back the origin of Earth happened? 4.6 billion. And from today, how much back origin of Brahman happened? It means from this year to this year. Okay, there was no Earth. Well, 9 billion years back in the Brahman, Earth not came. Yes or no? After 9 billion of Brahman origin, Earth originated. I think with the help of these values of 4.6 and all, you can understand very well what I'm telling here. Okay, so this is the overall discussions, and that you can see. And one more statement I'll ask you. During origin of life, oxygen gas was not here, guys, in the form of O2. In the beginning, guys, those life originated on the planet Earth. It was anaerobic because oxygen was there, but in the free form, in the form of O2 as a gas was not available. And that is the reason those organisms even first time came on the planet Earth, they were anaerobic. Oxygen as a water vapor were available because of massive temperature of Earth. But I'm not going on that theory. But one statement I want to tell you guys. In the beginning of life, oxygen as a O2 form not available. So that's why those organisms even born on the planet Earth, okay, they all were anaerobic organisms. In the absence of oxygen, those can synthesize energy. Hello? Are you sleeping? Don't sleep. Very interesting topic is here. Yes, yes, yes. Better take this photograph. If you feel lazy and you are not ready to make this all the diagram, flow charts, then better you take this photograph. But I will request everyone. Okay, you should have to make this picture. Proper, step by step. Take a proper A4 sheet and many color pen you take in your hand. Earth, brown color. Brahmand, I also don't know what is the color. And the plain sheet should be total black, because maximum part in the Brahmand is the black and black and the black. Understood or not? Black and the black and black. Done? Now give a next heading about expansion of universe. Next concept about expansion of universe. Yes. Universe still in unstable form, because the construction and destruction process still going on in the universe. You should know. Okay. Actually, for expansion of universe, some statement I will tell you. The one, Doppler's effect of light. Note down. Doppler's effect of light. So one is the Doppler's effect of light. In Doppler's effect of light, you can see like some concepts. Redshift effect. And next one is the blue shift effect. And second one is the microwave expansion. But maximum people are not in the favor of microwave expansion. So Doppler's effect of light, redshift effect and blue shift effect. And the second concept is a microwave expansion. Acha, you just tell me, guys. Silent, please. When you slept on roof in night, I think when we people gone in our nani house, grandmother house, summertime, summer vacation. So where we slept? Terrace पे? अच्छा. मैं तो रूफ पे सोता था, मैं छज्जे पे सोता बाहर की तरफ जो निकला होता था. अच्छा. So what you can see in the sky? Very beautiful. Stars. Acha, you tell moon also. Very good. Moon also. Very good. Thank God nobody told me sun also. Because it was night. It was night. Very intelligent, very intelligent, very intelligent. Okay. When you see the sky, guys, just feel with me, है ना? So you can see stars are there, है ना? And moon is there. I think every year you people gone. Me too. I don't know you, but in childhood, around 10-15 years, every year I was in summer vacation. My mother carry me and my sister vagara to Nani house.
Yes.
In South India, it is not. Same. Or South India, North India, India. So India. So Nani house everywhere and everybody go. Achha. And in that night, I have seen guys. We all cousins. My mother, sisters. They also come with their own kids. My mama ji, their own kids. And we all people talk throughout the nights. Masti, fun. Cousins, many cousins. Moon is upside. Cousins are left and right. And feel, guys, feel what I'm telling you. And see, we were not allowed to talk in the night. We were kids, no?
Yes.
Sleep. Mama said, Nani said, Mosi said, Mami said, hey, sleep. Don't talk. But they talk throughout the night. Mama, Mosi, Nani, Mami, they talk. When they say 2 a.m., nobody knows. But it's okay, na, guys. Your mama is there. Your mama is also going to meet their own mama after a year. So it's some emotional attachment. Okay. तो करने दो उसको बात, है ना? वो बेचारी इतने दिन के बाद मिली भी तो है, कर ले दो, है ना? And it's good, guys. Emotional connections. अब तो marriage happened, mama gone. So it's an emotional attachment. Okay. Breakfast done, madam? Okay. 2 idli, 1 vada, dosa also. Your masala dosa break I will give you. Wait. It's a very lengthy chapter. Particle physics. Wait. 2 parts may I'll cover. Let me complete right now. Whenever we people sleep there, guys. So we know, guys, like many of the stars and moons are there. If I ask you, like these all the stars and moon, they are getting close to you. They are moving away from you. They are still there where you people can see, guys. Through the help of this naked eye, can you predict it? Tell no. Even every year you go on your Nani house, guys. In Kannada language, we are telling Ajji house. In Telugu, we are calling Amma house. Amma. Oh my God. 2 times Amma to Amma. Oh, Amma is square. Amma. In Hindi, we are calling as a Nani. English, it's a grandmother. Kannada, it's I think Ajji. And Telugu, Amma. Amma is square. How beautiful languages are. Amma not there. So mother's mother, I'm telling you. I am telling you mama's mother, okay? Amma. Don't confuse me, okay? Already I'm trying to learn and you are confusing me. So the conclusion part is here, guys. Not possible to detect it. Even every year, if you go and see the sky, stars, moon, you cannot predict, guys. They are getting close to you. They are moving. Yeah, they are so much far. See how much far? So much far. it's not easy to predict. But through the help of some scientific evidences, we can prove them. But through the help of some scientific evidences, we can prove them. Those celestial bodies are there, guys. They're getting closer to us. They're moving away from us. Achha, you just think, guys, if I prove like they're getting closer to us, it means all the universe is going to contract? Constrictions? If I prove that every celestial body is moving away, it means still the universe expanding? Yes, I know. So just check. Whatever the Doppler has done here, guys. Suppose this is a prism. What is it? It's a prism. It's a prism. This is the laser. Laser touch. देखो कि YouTube वाले teachers for कैसे होते हैं, PPT बना के लाते हैं. Colleges में भी some teachers I found it, guys. याद तो कुछ रहता नहीं था. PPT बना के देख के फिर समझाते थे, ऐसे होता है, ऐसे होता है, फिर एक लाइन पढ़ते फिर ऐसे होता है, ऐसे. You found that kind of teachers? अब this generation में you will not get teacher जो पेन लेकर आए, बोर्ड पे खड़ा हो जाए और पढ़ाए, वो खत्म. अब तक कल्चर फिनिश, गाइस. स्टूडेंट आल्सो नॉट हैव इंटरेस्टेड दैट काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स. स्टूडेंट को क्या चाहिए? पीपीटी बना के लाया, देख देख के पढ़ा रहा है. एंड दिस इज द रीजन नाउ टीचिंग इज वेरी इजी. यूट्यूब्स अभी देखो ना, मेनी पीपल आफ्टर नॉट क्वालिफाइंग यूपीएससी टीचर, बट बच्चा जस्ट लाइक स्टूडेंट नर्चर ना, 4 साल 5 साल 6 साल 8 साल पढ़ते हो तब साल करते हो. टीचर्स आल्सो नर्चर. Within a day, people not become a teacher. But new generation change, and you know very well, guys. I don't like to tell because YouTube mein many people start to use many abuses me. Better to avoid it. But the actual teaching wo hota tha, pen and board, complete. आप समझ रहे हो? Teachers, even I still remember school time में, my teacher still generate the questions. वो क्वेश्चन लेके नहीं आता था, खुद जनरेट करता था अपने प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड से, आईक्यू से, और फिर बनाता था. हम लोग करते थे. आई नेवर सीन माय टीचर कैरी एनी बुक्स. वो पढ़ता था घर पे, हाथ में लेके नहीं आता था. उसको सब याद रहता था, चीजें कॉपी पे लेके ऐसे पेन से बढ़ाता था. एक्चुअली आई फाउंड दैट ऑफ टीचर्स, और मैंने तुमको बोला है, इज अ लास्ट जनरेशन ऑफ टीचर जो तुमको बोर्ड और वो वाले मिल रहे हैं. अब तुमको पीपीटी वाले ही मिलेंगे. खत्म वो जनरेशंस. ये हम लोग हैं लास्ट चल रहे हैं, बस खत्म टीचिंग खत्म. एंड वन मोर स्टेटमेंट, वी आर दोज टीचर्स who are coming and taking your classes 20-25 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, because we read the books. और नई जनरेशन के टीचर्स 50 पेज ऑफ नोट्स. भाई हमारे मरने के बाद तुम में से कोई टीचर बनेगा ना? ऑफ कोर्स हम नश्वर नहीं है, मरना है सबको, एवरीबडी विल डाई. पर इसके बाद नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आप लोग हो. आप लोग कैसे टीचर बनोगे? पीपीटी वाले, यूट्यूब टाइप वाला. क्लास में पीपीटी बना के आओगे, पढ़ाओगे. बच्चा वो रियल टीचिंग नहीं है. आई एम वेरी श्योर व्हेन यू हैव डन द 9, 10, 11, 12, मे बी ग्रेजुएशंस, यू गॉट सम टीचर लाइक दैट. बड़े जीनियस होते थे, आते थे, पेन पकड़ते थे, शुरू हो जाते थे. बोलो कौन सा चैप्टर, स्टार्ट, विच टॉपिक, स्टार्ट. अब तो यू टेल नन ऑफ द टॉपिक, नॉट प्रिपेयर. कोई घर जाके पढ़ा नहीं. अब द टाइम चेंज, गाइस, एंड दिस इज द रीजन नाउ इन द कमिंग फ्यूचर, नॉट द रियल टीचर यू विल गेट इट. कलाम साहिब टाइप वाला टीचर अब नहीं मिलेगा तुमको. नहीं, मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं एम टेलिंग यू रियलिटी. ये लास्ट फेज है दैट यू पीपल कैन सी हियर. और इस फेज में भी देखो मेनी टीचर्स, मेनी आपको वही मिलेंगे पीपीटी वाले. कल्चर ही खत्म हो गया. एंड आई थिंक यू आल्सो डोंट लाइक इट. आपको वो चाहिए भी नहीं. आपको चाहिए कोई फोटो आ जाए, उसी को दिखाए, उसको कुछ याद हो, नॉट मैटर. अगर कोई इज गोइंग टू जनरेट समथिंग, आपको वो चाहिए भी नहीं. एंड दिस इज द रीजन एक्चुअल टीचिंग इज मिसिंग राइट नाउ. पर चलो, इट्स अनदर पार्ट. न्यू जनरेशन है, इसको क्या चाहिए अच्छी तरह जानता है. इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ, रीड द बुक्स, नॉलेज विल कम विद द बुक्स. क्योंकि हम लोग जानने के बाद तुम ही में से कोई टीचर बनेगा. क्या पढ़ाओगे? अगर योर रूट इज नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन डेफिनेटली बी मोर एंड मोर डिस्ट्रॉय. तो आप लोग के ऊपर है नई जनरेशन की पूरी दारोमदारी. सो आई हैव अ भाई लेजर वाला, यू नो व्हाट, टार्च. व्हाट इज इट? लेजर टार्च. अब नाउ द लेजर टार्च लाइट आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड हियर, गाइस. When the laser light will come on the prism, you know, it split into 7 colors. School time, 9, 10 book, okay. It break into 7 colors. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Everybody know very well, guys. Okay, this is the laser torch. Laser torch. The laser touch speed 3 lakh kilometer per second. Speed of light, na guys. Here the light doses coming. They are coming with the speed of light 3 lakh kilometer per second. Laser touch say okay. So actually you tell guys, blue, indigo, and violet. Which one is dominating color? Red, orange, yellow. Which one is dominating color? Very good. Red. Very good. It's a red. And what here? Blue. Excellent guys. Blue is the dominating color. I bet you can understand very well. If these three colors will come in front of you, you can easily identify. Yes, yes, yes. Red, blue in this way. Clear. Now come. Now come. Laser touch. I'm doing one experiment. Suppose this chair, this chair. This chair is a prism. Okay, what is that? Prism. Prism. Or this is a laser touch. Okay. First of all, I'm doing some experiment. Kya? Laser touch is here at point A. Everybody focus here, guys. Just within 5 minutes, everybody will understand. And never forget, guys. What doctor has done, I'm showing you. At A point, laser touch is there. After some time, I'm moving away and put the laser touch here. Further moving away and put the laser touch here. It means source of light is moving away. Yes or no? Matlab, there's a laser touch, there's a prism. I'm here, light is passing there, guys, from the prism. I'm going to appear that side. I'm going to moving away. Still light is passing, more away. Still light is continuing, still moving away. And when I'm going to move away from the source, away from the prism, guys, the source of light is moving away. So now what about the color change is going to be happen here? Color change is going to be happen here. I'm going to do study of them. Clear or not? This man have done this study. Second basis. I'm here at point A. I'm here at point B. I'm here at point C. So I'm getting closer. Yes or no? I'm getting closer. If I'm getting closer, I'm moving away. Check variation of colors. What about the changes going to be happening? You know what Doppler found? In this case, this is called I think in a symbolic way, I prove you the concept of the red shift effect and blue shift effect. And after it, I will do conclusion, guys. On the basis of this experiment, universe is contracting or expanding, right? Now listen how through the help of this concept it will be proved universe is expanding or contracting. Clear? How it will be proved universe is expanding or contracting. See guys. Now see star sunlight is coming towards the earth. Yeah, it's a daytime and my classes are running right now. So you all people know very well this time what is being happen. Sunlight is coming towards me. If this sunlight those are coming towards me, it's a star? Yes or no? Yes. If this light I pass from the prism, I check today. The same sunlight pass from tomorrow, check tomorrow. After 1 year, again check. After 20 years, again check. After 300, 400, 500 years, my generation to generation will pass and check. If the red color is going to shift, it means the celestial bodies are getting closer or celestial bodies moving away. Very good, you understood. Celestial bodies are moving away. If it is going to shift toward the red color. Achha, you just tell guys, if I do study of all the stars, sun, etc. and I'm getting the knowledge about the red shift effect. It means the celestial bodies are getting closer to us, celestial bodies are moving away from us. Away from us. Big Bang theory, right? Still the Brahmand is expanding and expanding. If I'm getting the result of red shift effect. Very good. Clear? So Brahmand is expanding. How you will prove? UPSC question, guys. Brahmand is contracting. How you prove? But this is actually this concept. Because Brahmand is expanding. And somehow this Brahmand is expanding, the red shift effect also prove the concept of what? Expansion of universe. Three times I'm telling, but still they are not replying. See my question? Three times I'm telling the same statement. Okay. Sir, what is a micro expansion? Actually, some scientists believe, some scientists not believe. Actually, you remember during discussion of information communication technology, I discovered about the light spectrum. I told you in information communication technology, wireless technology is working with the help of microwave and radio waves. Actually, in this micro and radio wave, which one is a directional wave? Very good. So microwaves are actually under the solar radiation or not? Microwave is actually available in solar radiation or not? Yes. If microwave is available under the solar radiation, so microwave also available in every star, na? Why sun is a star? From the sun is the microwave is coming. By the way, other wave also there, X-ray, gamma, micro, radio, ultra, ultra, infrared. But I am talking about micro because micro is a directional wave. Radio wave is a non-directional wave. Microwave is a direct. Three times I'm repeating, guys, that I discussed in the information communication technology. Up see, those microwaves coming towards you. You check their own frequency, efficiency. If the frequency and efficiencies are increasing, the object is getting closer to you. If microwave frequency and efficiency is going to decreasing, the object is getting closer or moving away? Moving away from you. Very simple, guys. I have a torch. You know, village area torch. Torch is getting close to you. Sir, frequency, efficiency increasing. Torch is getting closer, so frequency, efficiency decreasing. Well, frequency and wavelength on that measurement of microwaves, we can also predict about the universe expanding or contracting. Not clear? Universe contracting or expanding still we can identify through the help of microwave expansions. One more concept, guys. Dark matter and dark energy, right? Dark matter and dark energy, right? Dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter and very beautiful topic, guys. Many times student asked me earlier, sir, tell me what is dark matter. I always forget, wait. In particle physics, I will discuss with you. Because in particle physics, somewhere have a discussion requirement regarding this dark matter and dark energy. Okay, black hole will come, but not here. Black hole I'll discuss in the Einstein general theory of relativity during the discussion of space-time in the second part. Okay, discuss with you Einstein general theory of relativity, gravitational waves. Lot of discussion I will do in that time. So dark matter and dark energy. So guys, what about the dark matter and dark energy? Try to understand. Again, you go to your mama house, your nani house, your grandmother house, your aji house. Now this time in another concept. You go there and listen me. When I slept that place, and my cousin was in all, when I was trying to sleep, and my cousin already slept. Okay. After some time, you feel, guys, what I'm telling you, right? After some time, I feel there is some constellation of stars. You know, there are some constellation of, well, these stars have some arrangement. After some time, oh, one more constellation. Oh, one more constellation. One more constellation. Oh, three times oh enough. Okay. So constellation here, constellation here, constellation here. Next day again I go constellation here, same constellation here, same constellation here. Try to understand, guys. And whatever I'm telling you, you can connect very easily. Yes, sir, I also slept there. I feel like yes, sir, yes, sir. Answer दिए कुछ ना star के ना there is something कुछ उसी conditions में they are there. Okay. Now question is why. Actually, these are the stars. And why I'm telling you stars only? Because stars are visible, guys. Even massive areas in the space, if you see, guys, that is a dark and dark and dark. Yes or no? When you see in the night, guys, massive and massive areas in the night is what dark and dark. Okay, in the dark area, what is inside? People do not know. Even 99.99% If you see the sky, it's dark. I'm telling in the night. Daytime mein though, due to the presence of sunlight, nothing visible. But 99.99% in the space and Brahman is the dark conditions. It is what? It is a dark conditions. Actually, in this dark area, have presence of dark matter and dark energy. How scientists describe about the dark matter, dark energy, try to understand. What I show you guys, these are some stars and have some celestial bodies. Star means celestial bodies. खगोलीय पिंड क्या बोलते हैं ना, celestial bodies, and they have some arrangement. They have some arrangements. Okay, actually, question is why these all the celestial bodies have some arrangement. The scientists believed in this area have presence of some force of attraction, and this is the attractional force. Due to this reason, all celestial bodies have some arrangement, and this is called as dark matter. This is called as what? Dark matter. The dark matter is a kind of force of attraction, and this is the reason all celestial bodies have some arrangement and attachment. Understood or not? Just like very simple, guys. Our parents in our life work as a dark matter. देखो ना, how many brothers and sisters you have? Okay, whenever any festival, anything happen, so we are going with the family and celebrate every festival. चाहे आप दिवाली मना रहे हो, वो क्रिसमस मना रहे हो, या अपना ईद वगैरह मना रहे हो, कुछ भी whatever I'm telling you guys, है ना? तो गुरु नानक देव वाला जो वो फेस्टिवल आता है, अपना गुरु पर्व जिसको बोलते हैं ना, everybody, the people are celebrating with the families. Yes or no? Because our parents is the work of attraction, is a force of attraction, and that's why we all the kids are in the surrounding of that attractions. So this is the way I can tell you about what is the dark matter. The dark matter is a kind of parent type, and this is the reason, this is the force of attraction, and all the celestial bodies are connecting together. देखो ना, जब तक माँ बाप जिंदा होते हैं, बच्चे नहीं लड़ते हैं तो माँ बाप मैनेज करते हैं, पर वे माँ बाप जो दुनिया से चले जाते हैं तो यही एक दूसरे को मारते हैं, है कि नहीं? बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. Okay, बाकी छोड़ो, whatever it is. So it's a dark matter, it's a force of attractions, and that's why all the stars, they are connecting together and they have some arrangement. So why stars and all celestial bodies have some arrangement in the sky? The answer is due to presence of dark matter. I think you understood. Now you may ask, sir, what is dark energy here? See guys, there's also possibility like one of the celestial body that was here earlier, guys, not reached here, move from here to here. So not reached here, guys, from here to here, it reached here, guys, and the arrangement even changed. The arrangement change, and now the arrangement is like this. It means in this area still have something, in this area still have something. Those make weak, W-E-A-K, those make weak this attraction, and that's why the celestial body move here, and this is called as a dark energy. So dark energy make weak dark matter attraction, and it works as a pushing the celestial body away from here because of this weak attraction, and then the celestial body move here. This is called as a dark energy. Even I'm going to use some example, but just to describe the concept, not taken another way, guys. The best example is bhabhi. Those bhabhi is coming in your house. A bhabhi, Vadina. Bhabhi also, and bhabhi also. I'm not telling every bhabis. I'm telling those bhabhi have this nature. When the bhabhi enter in your life, see, I'm telling some of them, and don't take it seriously. I'm telling you just to simplify the concept. Neither outside side, my bhabhi is not this, and my bhabhi also not like this. Okay, your bhabhi, just to understand the concept. So I just want to tell you, when the bhabhi enter in your bhaiya's life, in your bro's life, now bro stop to think about their own parents. Every time the bro start to think about their own wife, and one day realize by mistake your bro born in this house. One day your brother identify like by mistake you born in this house. Now your parents have not done any single thing for them. Now how he grown here, it is because of problem. He born here, it's a great problem, but he realized when he got married, earlier he never found this kind of problem in his life. Yes, you understood more? Okay, and later on he left. Why divorce you will take? Why you are telling? You have also such a responsibility of this lady or not? She left their own house. She left their own house for you and your family. Okay, and now you will take a divorce. You talk, manage, but in divorce, what is this? You should tell, this is the problem in the case of UPSC interview. No, sir, I will talk, I will manage. You don't tell divorce. You have a responsibility of this lady also. This lady is going to leave their own house. Be smart in the interview, guys. I will talk to them. उसको समझाऊंगा, पेरेंट्स को भी बैठाऊंगा, उसके पेरेंट्स को बुलाऊंगा. Don't tell divorce. यही तो यूपीएससी सुनना चाहता है. बोल दो, नहीं बोलना कभी नहीं. नहीं, manage it. मतलब in every circumstances I'm ready to manage my city. गोली नहीं चलाऊंगा, डंडा नहीं चलाऊंगा, लोगों को बुला के समझाऊंगा, नहीं मारूंगा, नहीं एक्शन लूंगा, इस तरीके से समझाऊंगा. You should have to balance that your talk. Interview, guys. और टीच अगर बोला चलाना पड़ गया तब इंटरव्यू कहते ना पैर में चला देंगे, जान नहीं लेंगे, एक दो को डरा के बचा लेंगे. दंगा फसाद कैसे क्यों करते हैं? ऐसे तो कब करते हैं. Understood? Be smart, guys. You should have to tell the answer in such a way. तो ये मत कहना डिवोर्स फालतू बात है ना. What you decide not to decide, you decide. But here don't tell divorce. Okay, फालतू बात नहीं. Okay. I think you understood very well what is dark matter and dark energy. But just a minute, guys. Whatever the dark matter, dark energy I am telling you, still not 100% known. Even I mentioned in your science and technology wala book, McGrail wala, 90 to 95% dark matter, dark energy still not very clear. So sir, those idea of the dark matter, dark energy you define, it's hardly 5 to 10%. Exactly, it's hardly 5 to 10%. Not clear? You people may ask a question. Sir, why dark matter, dark energy is not very clear? Those are available in the dark area in the space. Listen me. Why, sir, in dark areas, those dark matter, dark energies are available? Still, why 90-95% is not known? There is some reason, guys. When we are sending any waves inside, the waves are going to lost. The waves are going to lost. How you will identify what is there? Actually, you tell me, guys. Why I am visible to everyone in this class? This light is coming on my body and it is going to reflect back towards you. If the light is coming and getting absorbed inside my body and have no reflection, absorb inside my body, just like dark matter, dark energy may happen. What happened? Any of the waves, if you want to send it, it is going to absorb inside. And what happened? Nobody knows inside. Neither coming reflection nor going to across. Agar going to across, so still you can see what is inside my body. देखो ना, in the case of X-ray, the light is going to pass from your body, तब you identify your bone is fractured or not. But if light absorb inside, so you don't know what is inside. So for identification of me, reflection or passing of light, in that case it will identify I am standing here. पता है? Physics में one of the material is developed, but not proper developed. It's called metamaterials. Metamaterials. You know what is metamaterials? Movie देखा है? छोटे पे एक मूवी आई थी अनिल कपूर की, बच्चों वाली, मिस्टर इंडिया. It is in Hindi. Mr. India. In that movie, he used some specs. Specs ही था शायद. Watch. अच्छा sorry, watch लगा था. Sorry है ना, watch है ना, watch लगा था. YouTube पे लोग गालियाँ देते हैं हमको सर, है ना. मूवी देखा पता नहीं, watch है ना. और वो गायब हो जाता था. He gone somewhere. Not predicted, not identified. Because something like that कि कुछ ऐसा होता होगा कि उसकी body पे light stop to pass and stop to reflect. So the person is in front of you, but person is invisible. And this kind of material is called as a meta material.
In movie they show like through using red color glasses.
अब होगा कुछ, उसके फादर ने वहाँ पे बनाया था. मैं तो उसका फादर था नहीं तो मैं आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से बताता, है कि नहीं? Like in the presence of red glasses, you can see and all that. Okay, right. So I think you understood what is the meta materials. Meta materials are those substances, है ना? They will absorb all the waves inside the body. और अगर they will absorb all the waves inside the body, though I will be in front of you, but I will be not visible, but you can listen my voice. Did you understand or not? But I'm not going to discuss that one. But in the case of dark matter, dark energy, same thing happened. If any of the waves we are passing from there, guys, it lost somewhere. Okay, but don't worry. Through the help of some experiment, I'll tell you. With the help of this experiment, in the coming discussion, I'll tell you during neutrinos, etc. We can do the study of dark matter, even similar kind of feature you can also see in the case of black hole. In the case of black hole, guys, there is some specific feature there. If any waves are going to pass there, the waves also going to lose somewhere. Waves also going to lose somewhere. Understood? So dark matter, dark energies, and all discussion I will do again further, and even in some of the topics. But what is the dark matter, dark energy? I think some ideas you people have. Clear? Now, finally, all the basic parts of particle physics over. Now I'm going to enter into the 3 experiments. The one is CERN experiment, where we'll do the study of dark particle. Second, we'll go toward the discussion of neutrinos. And third, we'll go toward the discussion of gravitational waves. So the first topic is here, CERN. I'll give you just in 10 minutes, because everything is planned here. I'm reaching to that topic. Okay, just a minute. CERN. Actually, CERN experiment. This is the CERN experiment. This is what? This is a CERN experiment. CERN experiment is also called as high energy particle experiment. In layman term, you can call them as a high energy particle experiment. High energy particle experiment. CERN experiment is what? High energy particle experiment. So CERN experiment is a high energy particle experiment. Okay. Actually, CERN is a French name. CERN is a French name. Its English name is European Council for Nuclear Research. That's called as a European Council for Nuclear Research. So CERN experiment, European Council for Nuclear Research. Okay, it's a European Council for Nuclear. It's an English name of CERN experiment, European Council for Nuclear Research. Okay, actually, why this experiment is required? In this experiment, scientists try to find out about the existence of God particle. Scientists try to find out about the existence of God particle. God particle is also called as Higgs boson particle. This is also called as Higgs boson particle. God particle is also called as Higgs boson particle. So God particle is also called as Higgs boson particle. Okay, literally for the discovery of God particle or Higgs boson particle, those concept was given by Peter Higgs and Professor Satyendranath Bose. Some particle accelerator was developed. Particle accelerator means instrument, research instrument. Particle accelerator was developed. And those particle accelerator even developed for the study purposes and all. There are 2 shapes, guys, linear shape and circular shape. Linear shape accelerator is called LINAC, and circular shape accelerator are many of them, like cyclotron, synchrotron, and Large Hadron Collider. Large Hadron Collider. Large Hadron Collider means it's a LHC. LHC. But you know, in this experiment, those I'm going to discuss with you right now about the CERN and our study of God particle. Here, circular shape accelerator was used, not linear shape. And last, actually, in this experiment, some powerful camera was used that I can tell you as a detector. Detector means those detect. So certain particle detector was used. So certain particle detectors were used. So certain particle detectors were used. Detector, again, I'm telling you, they're very powerful camera. For the understanding, if you want, you can write powerful cameras. And these detectors have some name also, technical name, ELICE, A+, CMS, LSCB. These are the name of detectors. cameras. And see, these are very, very powerful camera. These are very, very powerful camera. So ELICE, ITLAS, CMS, and LSCB. These are the name of detectors. And in these detectors, actually, we'll try to detect about the guard particles. Okay, so these are the cameras. And you know, these cameras are actually here used. Where used? In this accelerator. And see, this is not an accelerator only. A part of it is the collider also. In this accelerator and collider have actually these detectors. They have a presence of these detectors. Detector means powerful camera ELICE, ATLAS, CMS, and LSCB. Okay, so this is the topic that we start after break. Okay, and topic of discussion is the CERN experiment. And under the CERN experiment, okay, all these portion will cover now. Okay, and then after break I will continue.